U.S. Supreme Court justices sent Donald Trump's immunity case back to a lower court in Washington today, making a pre-election trial very unlikely.
Now, in the ruling, justices said that presidents can be shielded for at least some of what they do in office. Chief political reporter Tom Hauser spoke with the political science professor today to analyze the impact of this ruling, Tom.
It's all about certain that Trump will not face trial before the 2024 election on charges he illegally tried to overturn the results of the 2020 election. While Chief Justice John Roberts said in today's ruling the president is not above the law, it certainly leaves some room to get around it.
Israel's the one that wants to go. He said the only one who wants
Just days after what most observers in the court of public opinion viewed as a big debate win for former President Donald Trump, another victory for Trump in the U.S. Supreme Court.
There's no question it's a win for Donald Trump.
Hamline University law professor David Schultz says the U.S. Supreme Court ruling helps Trump legally and politically.
The practical impact is that Donald Trump unlikely to face a criminal trial for the events surrounding January 6th prior to the election.
We will not take it anymore.
The court ruled Trump might be able to claim immunity from prosecution for his actions on January 6th before protesters stormed the U.S. Capitol building.
What the court said at this point is that there are certain types of actions that presidents undertake that have absolute immunity from prosecution. Those are core constitutional functions.
But the court decision raised almost as many questions as it answered. The decision doesn't specify what is considered official protected actions and unofficial or private and potentially unprotected actions.
Let's go to trial. Let's let the jury decide whether these are official or unofficial and then how they want to go. Or does there have to essentially be a mini trial before the real trial to decide are these official or unofficial acts? I think it's the latter, but the court doesn't give us a lot of clarification on that.
Now, the court's 3 liberal members all voted against the ruling. In a pointed dissent, Justice Sonia Sotomayor wrote that the notion no one is above the law is no longer true, saying the ruling means, in quote, every use of official power, the president is now a king above the law. Paul?
Tom Hauser reporting. Thank you.